Hey guys, today I have a quick video to take you guys through. I just acquired, like you can see from the title on the video, the Alien 380 Yeezy Boost. The Yeezy Boost 380 Alien, which was the first 380 colorway to ever come out. But before we get into the sneaker, I picked up a couple of things that I just want to really quickly show you. Starting up is this basic tee from Aimé Leon Dore. You would have seen me rocking their sweats in a couple of outfits on my Instagram. By the way, if you aren't already following me on Instagram, you should. The link's in the description. So anyway, I picked up this basic navy blue with this yellow puff print Aimé Leon Dore t-shirt. This one's from Double Double. A friend of a friend was coming down from Australia, so I shipped it out to them and I asked them if they could bring it down for me. Mucho gracias. And the second thing, I don't know why I've again begun to fall in love with white shirts or just shirts in general. This one too is from the Double Double store. It's an all white, hold on, let the light adjust. There you go, an all white button down NOS project shirt. I really love this. The material is like proper thick Oxford. Don't know if it's friendly for Indian humid conditions, but I think you're almost closer to winter now, so November, December, Jan, Feb. If we step out of the house, I'll probably get some use out of this. Speaking of which, stay safe, only step out if you need to, maintain social distancing, and put on a mask. And if those instructions weren't enough, if you're new to the channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Okay, now that we have these out of the way, let me actually get out of the way. Boom! Shout out to my friend Siddhanth for hooking me up with a pair of the Yeezy Boost 380. Now, initially when pictures came out, a lot of people thought that this was going to be a V3 of the Yeezy 350, but then as it turns out, it was just a new silhouette because the 380s dropped side by side or simultaneously with the 350 V2s. I think we are still in the V2s, right? Yeah, this was supposed to be V3. Sorry. Boost on the box, that's your label right there. Blank on this side. Yeah, just showing you the box in case you guys want to see the box. By now, if you've seen one, you've seen them all. Let me get the sneaker out before I do like a point of view reveal. But then, here you have it, the Yeezy Boost 380 Alien. Now these dropped, I think in very few places. I think just in the US and Europe. I'm not too sure. Don't hold me to it. But I remember going to Dubai in December for SoleDXB and seeing this in hand over there. One of the resellers had them, and I was like, man, this is like a really neat pair, and I want to get one for myself. But I wasn't going to pay an exorbitant sum of money to get my hands on these. So again, shout out to Siddhanth for helping me get these in hand. I still don't know if I'm gonna keep them. A lot of my pairs like the Zions, the Azarets, what else? Assault that I picked up for my birthday, the Assault 500, still have the tags on because I haven't decided if I want to keep them or I want to get rid of them. Now, when it came to India, the only ones that we got were Blue Oats and Pepper, and there's another banger coming out, the Calcite Glow, in which you have the uppers glowing as well as the sole. I'm not too sure about it, and I don't know why. For some reason 380s aren't doing too well in the market. But enough of me rambling on, let's get into the details of the sneaker. So like you can see, you have a one-piece upper made primarily of prime knit. You have this nice grey and sail or white-ish kind of theme going on, and then you have, just like on the 350 V2, a translucent panel there. Let me get the stuffing out so you can see it better. Right, so you have this part over here that's kind of translucent, so if you wear like a Volt colored socks, it will probably show through. You have those big ass perforations. Some of the perforations, the lace goes through. A stitch running right here in the middle. You know what, this one kind of reminded me of the Zebra 350s. Now the best part about the sneaker is I think this booty, even the Ultra Boost 2021, that's I've seen teased images, and this heel area reminds me of, I think it's drawn inspiration from that. So it's got a lot of boost, the comforts like a 350 V2. Here's your outsole. Now the outsole has this very crazy, like the Sigourney Weaver alien movie vibe. You know, I don't know why, it kind of reminds me of that. So it's got that vibe going on. It's got this minty green kind of a thing, the color of the sole. Unfortunately, it doesn't glow, although it looks like it's supposed to be glowing. And you have your boost cutouts. You can see right there's the boost and this bit of rubber. Even if you look at the midsole, right, this part here, it looks like it's supposed to be glowing. It's got that minty green hits. I'm not sure, and I can't tell if those are glue stains or if it's a design element. If you all know about it, please let me know in the comments. Thick rope laces, and this bit right here is very thin, but you have a bit of padding on the inside like you see. So this area right here and the heel has a fair bit of padding like you can see on the inside. You have your adidas and your Yeezy branding right there. Yeah, that's about it. I went up half a size like I do on all of my Yeezys. This stance looks crazy good, but I don't know, man. Like, I was just doing an inventory check of all of the sneakers that I have, and I have way too many sneakers, and I'm already offloading quite a few. I have downsized a fair bunch through this quarantine, and I have a lot more to go through. And yeah, I'm gonna sit on this for a while because hey, this is more like a summer sneaker, and although India is summer all year round, it's also gonna get a little cooler now, so I wanna, yeah, sit on this and think for a while. You think they're gonna restock? What do you guys think? Do you think the Alien 380s are gonna restock? I mean, I'm a fan of the colorway. A friend of mine said you might as well wait for the calcite glows, and I, for some reason, love this colorway from the very get-go, from the moment I saw it. And the calcite glow has similar vibes, except for this panel right here being grey. But yeah, man, I don't know about that. You know what? The knit pattern actually reminds me of the Quantum. Like, it's got bits here which are thicker and some that are thinner. Like, you know, there's a bit of bulge. Bulge. But there's a bit of like, the grey bits are single layer and the sail bits feel like they are double layer. I'm not sure if I have to wear, if I can wear no-show socks, because this looks like it's gonna graze my ankle area, so I might have to wear slightly higher socks. But these would work with sweatshirts, shorts, and I'm thinking sweatpants and joggers. A no-go for tapered pants. I don't know, man. The thing is that I don't really wear skinny jeans. But I think if something that just cuffs right here with a little bit of sock showing, I think it would look a little, it'll look nice with that kind of a fit, if you know what I'm saying. No, I don't have such clothes, but I'm just telling you, you know, it would look good that way. Not gonna lie, I really kind of dig this vibe. I might have to start beating them up fairly quickly. But yeah, I'm interested in knowing what you guys have to say, so let me know in the comments. Let me compare this with my static V2, which I have right here. Alright, so this is the static 350 V2, and this one's the Alien. You know, they have similar vibes is what I feel in terms of the colorway, like the grey and the sail on the top and that panel in the middle. This one's though not like a mint colored outsole. This one, a midsole, this one is. But with this light, I think they kind of look similar. So do you think the 380s would actually have initially been planned as the V3, but they're really doing it as two separate silhouettes? Let me know that too in the comments. If you can't tell, I'm looking for engagement, so comment, will ya? Alright, I'm now gonna slip these on feet. that was it, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate you staying till the end. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.